Hi guys, Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg.
Captain Keith from Clearwater.
Keith, what do we have behind us and what is this monstrosity on top of this boat?
This is a beautiful Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. Got a tower up on top of there, some outriggers, everything you need to go fishing or cruising down in the Bahamas, looking at that beautiful crystal clear water.
We get the question a lot, both at boat shows where you might have a loaded demo boat or of course in the showroom. Hey, why would somebody want or need a tower? Is it just to look cool or what do you got going on there? And it actually serves a purpose, and it is a rather pricey option a lot of the times, especially when it's done right. It's gonna be a tool for finding fish, okay? And on the west coast of Florida, we are doing a little bit more bottom fishing, but when you get to the east coast, you got that Gulf Stream up into the Carolinas, or you're down in the Bahamas, you're chasing your tuna birds or your frigates, your dolphin, your wahoo, all that stuff. Your tower becomes a tool and gives you an edge over the fish and a competition if you're tournament fishing. And they call it a bird's eye view for the reason. Every foot that you are above sea level, you gain that much more visibility over everything. So this is a tower on a Boston Whaler. You're gonna see them on some larger center consoles. You're gonna see massive ones on some of your sport fishes, your Hatterases and Bertrams and stuff like that. And not only does it look cool, but you're gonna catch more fish.
One thing I do want you to consider with the tower boat, so we've got two different helm stations here. You got one down below and you got one up top. So there is a way you can lock out those controls so that if maybe somebody's riding up there in the tower and you're down below running and they bump the throttles or put the boat into gear, that it's not gonna actually go into gear, engage, or do anything. So you can absolutely 100% control where you are and who's got control of the boat when you're running these things. So hope this gives you a little bit of insight onto tower boats. They're awesome, just the vantage point you get. It also kind of like safety wise as far as visibility and being able to see things in the water, shallow water, sandbars, stuff like that. It's a good option. It's a good deal.